the storm they've been calling for is here. It is a snow-sleet mix. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh look, there's a barge going by. How cool is that? It's almost a whiteout. Towboats are still going, so that's a good sign. Of course the sky is gray. It's just now starting. Gray skies. Duck blind's starting to get some snow on it. And by morning, it's gonna even be more beautiful. Hope you all have had a beautiful, blessed day. I'm hoping I don't lose power tonight. Whew, the winds are picking up. I got white hair now, y'all. It's getting cold. And there goes the towboat. I don't know if y'all can see it really well. It's out there though. There she goes. The water is starting to come up from all the rain that we got overnight. It's gonna crest Tuesday. So I'll do another video and the the beach is gonna be gone. But that's okay. It's still beautiful. Catch y'all next time.